One more incredible year of life, of joy, family, travel, and of course work. My life was never boring. But every year becomes more intense. More businesses, more achievements, more countries, and more impact. Many people ask, what is my secret? It's simple, when you follow your heart and live with passion and purpose. Life rewards you with extraordinary moments. Today, I can truly say, I'm living the life of my dreams. And this is just the beginning.